Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom meeting network connection errors. If you've been experiencing disconnections or poor quality during your Zoom calls, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve those frustrating network issues. Let's start by testing your internet connection to see if that's the root of the problem. Open your web browser and navigate to speedtest.net. Once you're on the page, you'll see a large button in the center. Click on Go to begin the speed test. Wait for a few seconds while the test runs. This will measure your download and upload speeds as well as your ping, giving you a clear picture of whether your internet connection is strong enough to support Zoom calls. If your speeds are significantly lower than what your internet service provider promises, that could be the culprit behind your connection errors. Alternatively, you can run a diagnostic test directly within Zoom itself, which is often more accurate for identifying Zoom-specific issues. Open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you've been experiencing problems. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile avatar. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the options that appear. In the Settings window, you'll notice a left panel with various categories. Click on Statistics to access detailed information about your Zoom connection quality. This section is incredibly useful for diagnosing network issues. Within the Statistics menu, you'll see an option labeled Run a Test Meeting. Click on this option to proceed to the testing interface. You'll be taken to a new screen dedicated to testing your Zoom connection. Here, locate the button that says Start Test and click it. This will initiate a simulated Zoom meeting that checks your audio, video, and network performance. The test will run for a short period and provide you with results showing whether your connection can handle Zoom calls properly. Pay close attention to any warnings or errors that appear during this test, as they'll point you towards specific issues. If these steps don't resolve your network connection error, the problem might lie with your router or modem. Try restarting your network equipment by unplugging your router or modem from the power source. Wait for a full 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple reset often clears up temporary connection issues and gives your network a fresh start. Once your router or modem has fully restarted, which might take a minute or two, try joining your Zoom meeting again. You've now diagnosed and addressed the most common causes of Zoom network connection errors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.